Good evening. My name is Tammy Jansen, and this evening I'm going to show you how, using QuickBooks Accountant, we are going to work through Chapter 1, Problem number 4 on accessing inventory data using the company Larry's Landscaping and Garden Supply. The first step, what we want to do here is, according to the instructions for problem number 4, is we want to go to Reports, Inventory Evaluation Summary, and this will open up, for Larry's Landscaping and Garden Supply, it will open the Inventory Evaluation Summary Report as of December 15th, 2014. The first question for problem number 4 is part A. What is the item description of inventory item pump? So if we go to the left-hand side of the report here, you can see the pump, parentheses, fountain pump number 198-30, parentheses. This is the answer to part A. We're looking for the description of the pump. Part B of this problem number 4 is how many of this item were on hand at that date. Of course, whereas the date you can also see is up here, 12/15/14, where it's also here at the top header of the report. So if we go back to pump, go to the first column towards the right side of the page, and if we look here at the top, it says on hand, and if we go across pump, there's 48 on hand. So that's the answer for part B. The third part, question C, is what was the average cost of this item at this date of 12/15/14? So if we go across the pump to the second column, which says here's the average cost, so we go back across pump to the second column, and as we can see, the average cost is 53.94. So that's the answer for part C. The final step for part 4 is item D, asking us to print this report in landscape. So if we go up here to the top, we can go to print, report, and as you can see, I have my printer selected here, or whichever printer you want to select, and we can go portrait or landscape, and we want it landscape. We'll leave the default settings as they are. You can go to preview, so if you wish to see what your report looks like before you print it, and this will be page 1. And if we go here to the top, you can go to the next page, and this is what page 2 will print like. So you can go back, and your option is we can either hit the print button here, or we can close this, which goes back to our original print report screen, and we can hit the print button. And as you can see, it'll print both pages. And then we were done with Chapter 1, Problem 4. So we've answered A, B, C, and D using Larry's Landscaping and Garden Supply with the Inventory Evaluation Summary dated as of December 15th, 2014. Thank you.